Presenting a pre-owned 2011 BMW 535i. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter I6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include keyless entry, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.